Hello, welcome to Engineer's Mindset. So let's continue from rational function of differentiation. Now let's say we have y equal to 1 over x squared plus x, and we are asked to find dy dx from first principle. So let's say we have this. So I said that an increase in the value of y, if I increase y by changing y, I will also increase x by changing x. So I'll simply have 1 all over. So for this x squared, I will have x plus changing x all squared because it is squared here, plus I will also increase this x by changing x. So I'll have x plus change in x. So I have this. Okay, so y plus change in y is now equal to, this is 1 all over. Alright, so in the first video, I explained how we can expand x plus change in x all squared. Alright, so to expand this, we simply have, okay, this will give us x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x all squared, okay, plus x plus change in x. So we have this. Okay, so I said at this point, all you need to do is simply transfer y over to this side of the equation. So I'll be left with change in y, that's equal to 1 all over x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x squared plus x plus change in x. Okay. Alright, so minus y, okay, minus y. So I have this. Now recall that y itself is given simply as what? 1 over x squared plus y. So y is simply 1 over x squared plus x. Okay, recall that y is equal to 1 over x squared plus x. So in place of this y, I will simply replace it with 1 over x squared plus x. So I have a change in y is now equal to, so this is 1 all over x squared plus 2x change in x plus x change in x squared plus change in x squared plus x plus change in x, okay, minus 1 all over, in place of y, I will simply write 1 over x squared plus x. So this is x squared plus x. So I have change in y is now equal to, so first thing first, I said take the LCM. LCM simply means they are what? Multiple. The multiple of their denominators. So I'll simply have x squared plus x. The whole of this multiply the whole of this is the LCM. Okay. So I'll simply have a change in y is equal to, the LCM is simply the multiple of their what? Denominators. So the whole of this multiplies the whole of this is the LCM. So I have x squared plus x multiplying by x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x squared plus x plus change in x. Okay, and after that, you also cross multiply, take the whole of this value and multiply by 1, take the whole of this value and multiply by what? 1. So I simply have x squared plus 1 multiplied by this one, so I simply have x squared plus x, okay, multiplying by this one. Alright, so minus the whole of this value multiplied by this one, so I'll simply have minus x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x squared plus x plus change in x. So I simply have this for my change in y. So change in y is now equal to, so I will now expand this bracket and see. I will have x squared plus x. So minus expands the whole of this bracket, so simply give me minus x squared minus times plus 2x change in x simply gives me minus 2x change in x minus times plus change in x squared gives me minus change in x squared minus times x will give me minus x minus times change in x will give me minus change in x all over I will have x squared plus x multiplied by x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x squared plus x plus change in x. So notice here that x squared can strike minus x squared, also plus x can also strike minus x. So I'm actually left with change in y is now equal to, and left is simply minus 2x change in x, okay, minus change in x squared, okay, minus change in x, all over x squared plus x multiplied by x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x squared, okay, plus x plus change in x. So I have this, okay. Alright, so at this point, all I need to do is divide both sides by what? Change in x. Divide both sides by change in x. So I'll simply have change in y all over change in x is now equal to minus 2x change in x minus change in x squared, okay, minus change in x all over x squared plus x multiplied by x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x squared plus x plus change in x divides change in x. So take note, change in y over change in x is now equal to, take note, this change in x will cancel this change in x, this change in x will also cancel one of this change in x, this change in x will also cancel one of this change in x. So I'll simply be left with minus 2x minus 2x minus, this becomes, if this change in x cancels one of this, I will simply be left with change in x minus this change in x cancels change in x, I will be left with 1 all over x squared plus x times x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x squared plus x plus change in x. So I have this. So the last thing to do is simply take limit as change in x tends to 0, the function change in y over change in x automatically tends to dy dx. So wherever I see change in x in this equation, simply replace with what? 0. So that simply implies now that dy dx is now equal to, this is minus 2x minus, this is change in x becomes 0 minus 1 all over, this is x squared plus x multiplied through by x squared plus, this is 2x times 0, so I'll have 2x times 0, in place of changing x at 0, this becomes 0, plus changing x squared is also 0, or 0 squared, plus x plus changing x is also 0, so I have this. So dy dx is now equal to, this is minus 2x minus 1 all over, this gives me x squared plus x all things, so this is x squared, this is 0 and this is 0, so I'm left because x. Alright, so I have that. So I can simply call this to be equal to minus 2x minus 1 all over. Since I have x squared plus x and x squared plus x, I can simply say x squared plus x all So that becomes the derivative of that function. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with more questions on rational functions